Welcome to the ASSIST tutorial series. In this tutorial, learn how to see courses that transfer to a University of California campus on the new assist.org website. The articulation and transfer information in ASSIST is best used with the guidance and expertise of an academic advisor. Be sure you talk to your counselor or transfer center advisor at your community college and an admissions advisor or departmental advisor at the university campus you plan to attend. Whether searching for community college courses that are transferable to a UC or CSU campus, the first step is selecting the academic year in which the courses were or will be completed. You can type directly into the menu box, or use the down or up arrows to scroll through an entire list of available academic years. If you aren't sure which academic year to select, you can click the question mark icon above the menu for additional information. Once you have selected the academic year, select the community college where the courses were or will be completed from the institution drop-down menu. Just like the academic year menu, you can start typing a community college name directly into the menu line, and the results will automatically filter down as you do so. You can also use the up and down arrows to see a complete list of institutions and scroll through to find a specific one. In any search scenario, if you aren't sure what to select here, you can always click on the question mark and find additional instructions. Once you have selected an academic year and a community college from the institution drop-down menu, the Transferable Courses search box becomes available. You have 6 transferability lists to choose from, but to find courses that transfer to a UC, you'll select the UC Transferable Courses list from the menu. Then click View Transferability Lists once the button activates as you've made a selection. Once the View Transferability List button is clicked, you'll see that the transfer information box moves to the left of the screen and additional columns cascade out with the View by options in the middle column and then the Download or View options that will be on the far right column. All 3 columns will display the academic year, community college, and type of transferability list at the top. You can view the UC Transferable Course list by department or prefix. You can scroll through the full list of different departments or prefixes, or you can start typing and narrow your results as you go. Select all departments to view a full list of community college courses that transfer to a UC campus. And now you can click View Course List or Download Course List. Once you have clicked to view or download the UC Transferable Course List and have opened the document, you'll find the same important information in the header and a list of transferable courses organized by either prefix or department, along with clean and clear columns and font. The course prefix, number, title, units, and other relevant transferability areas display, along with the important footnotes that indicate conditions or limitations to specific courses. Most browsers also have an outline format view, which allows you to quickly and easily jump to specific departments, which is particularly helpful when you're viewing the full department or full prefix transferable course list. For additional support using the ASSIST website, click on the support link at the bottom of the page in the blue band. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to see courses that transfer to a University of California campus on the new assist.org website. Please contact us at help@assist.org should you have any further questions.